weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, east central Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Solon to near Hudson, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Ravenna, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Streetsboro, Macedonia, South Russell, Middlefield, Garrettsville, Manaway, Aurora, Parkman, Chagrin Falls, Reminderville, Moreland Hills, Windham, Hiram, Boston Heights, Glenville, and Bentleyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Portage, and Summit.